Welcome to this course on demand planning and forecasting. In many organizations, demand planning still faces a few common challenges. Forecasts are built in Excel, but they lack structure. Accuracy is measured, but inconsistently. And decision making often relies on intuition rather than data. This course is designed to address these challenges in a practical and a structured way. You won't just learn forecasting concepts, you'll learn how to actually build, evaluate, and improve forecast in a real world setting. We will start off the course by building a strong foundation in theoretical concepts surrounding demand planning and forecasting. You'll learn how demand planning works in real organizations. We'll explore forecasting techniques such as moving average analysis, time series analysis, and regression analysis. We'll also cover how to analyze forecast performance and understand accuracy analysis metrics like mean absolute error and bias percentage. But this course doesn't just stop at theory. You'll also learn how to implement these concepts efficiently using the right tools. You'll first build a fully automated forecasting model in Excel, a model in which you input historical data, select a few forecasting techniques, and the model automatically generates the forecast for next 12 months. Afterwards, we'll learn how to use Power Query to clean and transform data. We'll learn visualization principles and create interactive dashboards in Power BI. We'll also explore DAX formula language in Power BI to build measures for dynamic analysis. Along the way, you'll reinforce your learning through hands-on exercises and quizzes. This is a hands-on course. You won't just watch the videos, you'll build models, you'll work with data, and by the end of the course, you'll create something tangible. This course is ideal for aspiring demand planners, supply chain professionals, business analysts, and Excel and Power BI users who are looking to apply their skills to real-world scenarios. Even if you're not currently in a demand planning role, but if your work involves forecast budgets or data analysis, you'll find this course extremely helpful. So if you're looking to move beyond theory and build practical forecasting skills, be confident with data and improve decision making, then you're in the right place.